Ever wondered what dietary supplements are and how they can benefit you? Well, as the popularity of these health-boosting products skyrockets, it's essential to separate fact from fiction. Dietary supplements are food products designed to complement your daily diet with essential nutrients. They come in many forms: vitamins and minerals for overall health, probiotics for gut health, omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health, antioxidants for cell protection, and herbal extracts with various beneficial properties. However, remember, these supplements don't replace a healthy diet. They merely fill in any nutritional gaps. In certain situations, supplements can offer real health benefits. For instance, they can correct vitamin D deficiency in people with limited sun exposure or improve gut health after antibiotic therapy. They can even support the treatment of certain conditions like heart disease with omega-3 fatty acids. But it's crucial to stick to the recommended dosage. Exceeding the advised amount can lead to adverse side effects. Before starting any supplementation, it's wise to consult with a doctor or dietitian. They can help assess individual needs, choose suitable supplements, and rule out any contraindications to their use. Now let's debunk some myths about dietary supplements. First, not everyone requires supplements. If you have a healthy and balanced diet, your food should provide all the necessary nutrients. Secondly, supplements can't replace a healthy diet. They're merely a dietary addition. Thirdly, not all supplements are safe for everyone. Some may interact with medications or aren't suitable for people with certain conditions. Fourthly, more isn't always better. Increasing the supplement dose doesn't automatically mean better results and can lead to dangerous overdoses. Finally, supplements aren't a miracle cure. They can't replace medical therapy for serious conditions. When choosing supplements, consider their quality and origin. Opt for products from reputable brands with safety certificates to minimize the risk of negative experiences. Also, always inform your doctor or pharmacist about any supplements you're taking to avoid dangerous interactions with medications. And remember, instead of focusing on individual supplements, prioritize a diverse and nutrient-rich diet. In conclusion, dietary supplements can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, but they can't replace a balanced diet or professional medical therapy. Before taking supplements, consult with an expert, choose high-quality products and use them wisely. It's not just about taking supplements, but making wise decisions based on reliable knowledge and common sense. After all, good health is a blend of balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and a positive mindset.